Does switching schools feel like a big leap? What would a week at Alpha feel like? What if you didn't have to guess? This summer, get ready for Alpha School, the experience. It's not just camp, it's a week to see what school can be when it finally makes sense.
She went back to her old school after her first shadow day and told them, I'm going to Alpha next year.
After a shadow day, kids fall in love with Alpha.
He came home, he was just so excited. Wow, my school's so cool.
I learned the power of yet. I kept trying to draw over and over, and I finally got it.
They absolutely hate when I have to pick them up early.
He just kept asking, when can I go back there?
The first thing she did when she got home, she said, I want to create a presentation to pitch my two best friends' parents on coming to Alpha.
Good luck getting them to leave after a week.
They didn't feel like it was school. They felt like it was camp.
Watch them go from hating school or thinking it's boring to loving it.
Our kids actually love going to school.
He asks on weekends if it's time to go to school already.
6 hours?
That's it.
Not here. Watch your kids learn twice as much in only 2.
The thing I love about Alpha is that we learn more in 2 hours than we would in a full day.
Be blown away as kids do amazing workshops, all while learning real-world skills.
She's talking about her goals with such a focus on the future and her own development.
You know, it's almost like, where's my child? What did you do with my child?
This summer, don't just imagine what's possible. Come experience Alpha for yourself.